18. 밑줄 친 이시에 가리키는 것으로 가장 적절한 것은?
Nothing can be checked out or renewed without it. If you reside in this area, you may get it free of charge. Kids under 18 need their parents' signature on the registration form to receive it. The standard loan period is 21 days. Books can be renewed once for the original loan period, unless they are on reserve. Videos and DVDs can be loaned for 2 days, and cannot be renewed. Borrowers are responsible for returning items on time and in good condition. 1. A cash card. 2. A business card. 3. A meal coupon. 4. A library card. 5. A discount coupon.
19. 밑줄 친 이시에 가리키는 대상이 나머지 넷과 다른 것은?
Not only does the leaf fish look like a leaf, but it also imitates the movement of a drifting leaf underwater. Its hunting technique is not to swiftly pursue its victim, but to wait for it. Hanging at an angle in the water, the leaf fish is carried along by the currents, until it comes near a smaller fish. Then, it seizes the unsuspecting prey, with a lightning-fast snap of the jaws, and swallows the prey down head first. At close range, the rapid opening of the leaf fish's large jaws enables it to suck in the unfortunate individual very easily.
심화학습 교실
20. 다음 글에서 전체 흐름과 관계없는 문장은?
When one group borrows something such as ideas, values, foods, or styles of architecture from another group, change occurs through diffusion. Diffusion is a process by which one culture or society borrows from another. The extent and rate of diffusion depend on the degree of social contact. The more contact a group has with another group, the more likely it is that objects or ideas will be exchanged. The exclusion of new technology generally leads to social change that will soon follow. Social contact, therefore, plays a crucial role in the process of diffusion.
(21) 다음 글에 쓴 목적으로 가장 적절한 것은?
Thank you for sending your poems to this publishing house. I have had the opportunity to look them over, and I feel that they show considerable promise, despite your youth and lack of experience in this genre. There is still much room for development, however, and I am afraid they are not yet appropriate for publishing in any of our current poetry journals. You indicate in your cover letter that you intend to follow a literary career. Please allow me to offer my best wishes for your future literary efforts.
심화학습 교실
22. A, B, C의 각 네모 안에서 어법에 맞는 표현을 골라 짝지은 것으로 가장 적절한 것은?
I was 5 years old when my father introduced me to motorsports. Dad thought which was a normal family outing, to go to a car racing event. It was his way of spending some quality time with his wife and kids. B, little did he know that he was fueling his son with a passion that would last for a lifetime. I still remember the awesome feeling I had on that day in May, when my little feet were carried me up the stairs into the grandstands at the car racing stadium. 1. It little carried. 2. It few were carried. 3. It little were carried. 4. Which? Few. Carried. 5. Which? Little. Were carried.
23. 다음 글의 밑줄 친 부분 중 어법상 틀린 것은?
To be a mathematician, you don't need an expensive laboratory. The typical equipment of a mathematician is a blackboard and chalk. It is better to do mathematics on a blackboard than on a piece of paper, because chalk is easier to erase, and mathematical research is often filled with mistakes. One more thing you need to do is to join a club devotes to mathematics. Not many mathematicians can work alone. They need to talk about what they are doing. If you want to be a mathematician, you had better expose your new ideas to the criticism of others. It is so easy to include hidden assumptions that you do not see, but that are obvious to others.
(24) 다음 글의 빈칸에 들어갈 말로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Walking down the street, you may not even notice the trees, but, according to a new study, they do a lot more than give shade. Environmental scientists chose 2 Chicago public housing projects, both of which had some buildings with lots of trees nearby, and some with practically none. According to the study, violence and property crimes were nearly twice as high in sections of the buildings where vegetation was low, compared with the sections where vegetation was high. Why? One explanation. Greenery creates a natural gathering space for neighbors and, ultimately, stronger blank in the community. This can also create an atmosphere where children are better supervised and buildings better watched. 1. Fear. 2. Traps. 3. Quarrels. 4. Bias. 5. Bonds.
(25) 다음 글의 빈칸에 들어갈 말로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
People tend to stick to their first impressions, even if they are wrong. Suppose you mention the name of your new neighbor to a friend. "Oh, I know him," your friend replies. "He seems nice at first, but it's all an act." Perhaps, this evaluation is groundless. The neighbor may have changed since your friend knew him, or perhaps your friend's judgment is simply unfair. Whether the judgment is accurate or not, once you accept it, it will probably influence the way you respond to the neighbor. Even if this neighbor were a saint, you would be likely to interpret his behavior in ways that blank. 1. Fit your expectation. 2. Upgrade your status. 3. Make you intelligent. 4. Keep you wealthy. 5. Remove your prejudice.
심화학습교실
26. 다음 글의 빈칸에 들어갈 말로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
A common mistake in talking to celebrities is to assume that they don't know much about anything else except their occupations. In fact, the movie business and the athletic world are full of intelligent, educated, and informed men and women who are interested and involved in a wide variety of activities and causes. Yet, they are asked only about acting or sports. If you happen to know about the celebrity's extracurricular interest, you might find he or she will speak to you about it much more freely than about his or her blank. For example, ask Paul Newman, The famous actor, about his charity work with kids. 1. Personal disaster. 2. Pastime activities. 3. Family background. 4. Professional life. 5. Political opinions.
(27) 다음 글의 빈칸에 들어갈 말로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Upon entering a record store, one encounters a wide variety of genres, from easy listening to jazz and classical music. Jazz and classical music have a number of things in common. However, they also have a number of differences. Before sound recording, classical music was passed down through written scores, whereas early jazz mainly relied on live performance. The composers are in control in classical music. They write the musical notes, along with detailed instructions. In jazz, on the contrary, the performers often improvise their own melodies. In sum, classical music and jazz both aim to provide a depth of expression and detail, but they blank. 1. Take different approaches to record sales. 2. Owe their traditions to the easy listening genre. 3. Achieve their goal through different approaches. 4. Rely on composers to write their improvisations. 5. Depend on their music scores to gain popularity.
(28) 다음 글에 드러난 필자의 심정으로 가장 적절한 것은?
Our guest arrived in the broadcasting studio, and I opened my show at 11:05 with a brief introduction about his background. Then, I asked my first question, and he just said, "I don't know." A few more questions followed, but all were answered in one of three ways: yes, no, or I don't know. I looked up at the clock in the studio. It was 11:09, and I was out of material. I had nothing left to ask this guy. Everyone in the studio was standing around with the same thought. What are we going to do? We have 15 minutes left. Listeners all over the country are going to reach for the tuning dials on their radios any second now. 1. Lively and excited. 2. Anxious and concerned. 3. Calm and relieved. 4. Anticipating and grateful. 5. Bored and indifferent.
심화학 습교실
29. 다음 글에서 필자가 주장하는 바로 가장 적절한 것은?
Of all the ways that automobiles damage the urban environment and lower the quality of life in big cities, few are as maddening and unnecessary as car alarms. Alarms are more than just an annoyance. They are a costly public health problem and a constant irritation to urban civil life. The benefits, meanwhile, are non-existent. Automakers, alarm installers, insurers, police, and the biggest experts of all, car thieves, all agree that alarms do nothing to stop theft. What's more, there are now a number of good, inexpensive car security devices available on the market. It's time for us all to reconsider the seriousness of the problem and to do something about it.
30. A, B, C의 각 네모 안에서 문맥에 맞는 낱말을 골라 짝지은 것으로 가장 적절한 것은?
Although most people recognize it as a jewel, the diamond most directly affects our daily lives as a tool. Industrial diamonds are so important that a shortage, strength, would cause a breakdown in the metalworking industry and would destroy mass production. Industrial diamonds are crushed and powdered, and then used in many grinding and polishing operations. Their use, b, ranges from the drill in a dentist's office, to saws for cutting rocks, and to glass cutters. The great, c, hardship, of a diamond makes it one of the most important industrial materials known. 1. Shortage. Ranges. Hardness. 2. Shortage. Changes. Hardship. 3. Strength. Changes. Hardness. 4. Strength. Ranges. Hardship. 5. Strength. Ranges. Hardness.
심화학 습교실
31. 다음 그림에 대한 글의 내용 중 밑줄 친 낱말의 쓰임이 적절하지 않은 것은
The nambae is one of the oldest traditional winter hats in Korea. At first, only men and women of the upper classes wore it. Later, it was worn by the commoners, and still later only by women. The hat protects the head and forehead from freezing winds, and has a round opening at the top. There is a long back flap for the back of the neck, and ear flaps on both sides reveal the ears. Silk sashes are attached to the ear flaps. The sashes are tied under the chin to hold the hat tightly in place. The bottom of the nambae is bordered with fur, and the hat is decorated with flower and bird patterns.
(32) 다음 글의 주제로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
All travelers should ensure they have adequate travel insurance before they depart. A suitable insurance policy should provide coverage for medical expenses arising from illness or accident, prior to or during their vacation, loss of vacation money, and cancellation of the holiday. Please keep your insurance policy and emergency contact details with you at all times. Before departure, you will be required to provide you to a leader with a copy of your insurance policy covering the period of travel. Without this information, you will not be allowed to travel with the group. 1. Coverage of car insurance. 2. Selection of travel agencies. 3. Necessity of travel insurance. 4. Conditions of health insurance. 5. Promotion of tourist attractions.
(33) 다음 글의 주제로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Every society needs heroes, and every society has them. Some heroes shine in the face of great adversity, performing amazing deeds in difficult situations. Other heroes do their work quietly, unnoticed by most of us, but making a difference in the lives of other people. Whatever their type, heroes are selfless people who perform extraordinary acts. The true mark of heroes lies, not necessarily in the result of their actions, but in what they are willing to do for others and for their chosen causes. Even if they fail, their determination lives on to inspire the rest of us. Their glory lies not in their achievements, but in their sacrifices.
(34) 빈칸 A, B에 들어갈 말로 가장 적절한 것끼리 짝지은 것은
Design and styling cannot be fully understood outside of their social, economic, political, cultural, and technological contexts. Blank. The cycles of Western economies during the 20th century had a significant impact on the prevalence of objects that emphasize design over styling, and the other way round. While design and styling are interrelated, they are completely distinct fields. Styling is concerned with surface treatment and appearance, the expressive qualities of a product. Design blank is primarily concerned with problem solving, the function of a product. It generally seeks simplification and essentiality. 1. For example. On the other hand. 2. For example. Worst of all. 3. In addition. Worst of all. 4. Otherwise. By all means. 5. Otherwise. On the other hand.
(35) 도미닉 진 레리에 관한 다음 글의 내용과 일치하지 않는 것은?
Dominique Jean Larrey was born on July 8, 1766, in France. Larrey began his medical studies in Toulouse. During the Revolution, in 1792, he joined the Army of the North as a military surgeon. He introduced field hospitals, ambulance service, and first aid treatment to the battlefield. He eventually became principal surgeon of the French army, and thereafter followed Napoleon Bonaparte in almost all his campaigns in Egypt, Italy, Russia, and finally at Waterloo. After the fall of Napoleon, Larrey's medical reputation saved him, and he was named a member of the Academy of Medicine at its founding in 1820.
(36) 플로피 배로에 관한 다음 글의 내용과 일치하는 것은?
Floppy Barrow is a game invented by Phil and Alan Grace and Tim Inglis in South Australia. In the game, the players use a broomstick to throw an old bicycle tire that has been specially modified to make it floppy. The game can be played with 2 to 6 players and is scored similarly to tennis. It can be played with or without a net by defining the court and scoring against mistakes, such as dropping the tire in court or throwing it out of bounds on the opponent's side. Floppy Barrow builds upper body muscles a lot, so it provides a good and exciting form of exercise.
심화학 습교실
37. 다음 도표의 내용과 일치하지 않는 문장은?
In the above chart, the 5 items in the middle show the environment-friendly improvements made by a company from 2001 to 2005. The left bar chart shows the costs of carrying them out, and the right bar chart shows the resulting savings during the same period. The company reduced its water use by installing automatic faucets and water-saving toilets, saving $152,000. The greatest saving came from the installation of energy-saving lights. Timed shutoffs of electricity came second in savings. These 2 improvements cost much less than the other measures. The most expensive installation was that of smart escalators. Although the installation costs differed, all the improvements resulted in savings for the company.
(38) 다음 글의 요지로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Over the past 20 years, I've asked thousands of people, where are you when you get your best ideas? The most frequent answers are, resting in bed, walking in nature, listening to music while driving in my car, and relaxing in the bath. People really get their best ideas at work. What is so special about walking in the woods or resting in bed. Solitude and relaxation. Most people have their best ideas when they are relaxed and by themselves. Leonardo da Vinci once wrote, "If you are alone, you are completely yourself, but if you are accompanied by a single companion, you are half yourself."
심화학습교실
39. 다음 글의 요지로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Every mother and father wants to raise a child with a strong moral character. We want our children to know good from bad and right from wrong. We hope they'll learn to behave morally and ethically and grow up to be honest and considerate. In short, we want our children to develop a conscience, a powerful inner voice that will keep them on the right path. But a conscience does not develop by itself, so the job of building one is ours. It's a process parents need to work on, day after day, and year after year. We need to constantly distinguish right from wrong, and to model appropriate behavior. Eventually, our children will fully accept our messages, and they will become the essence of their character.
주어진 글 다음에 이어질 글의 순서로 가장 적절한 것은
Footwear has a history, which goes back thousands of years, and it has long been an article of necessity. The earliest footwear was undoubtedly born of the necessity to provide some protection when moving over rough ground in varying weather conditions. In ancient times, as today, the basic type of shoes worn depended on the climate. Shoes have not always served such a purely functional purpose, however, and the requirements of fashion have dictated some curious designs, not all of which made walking easy. For instance, in warmer areas the sandal was, and still is, the most popular form of footwear, whereas the modern moccasin derives from the original shoes adopted in cold climates by races such as Eskimos and Siberians.
다음 글의 제목으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
The story starts in the world of Homer, where the stormy skies and the dark seas were ruled by the mythical gods. Every advance in human understanding since then has been made by brave individuals, daring to step into the unknown darkness and to break free from accepted ways of thinking. Most of those steps were small and difficult, but a few were brilliant and beautiful. As Gustave Flaubert wrote, "Among those who go to sea, there are the explorers who discover new worlds, adding continents to the earth and stars to the heavens. They are the masters, the great, the eternally shining." It is those explorers, through their unceasing trial and error, who have paved the way for us to follow. 1. The earth and the heavens. 2. Gods and their worshippers. 3. Great sea explorers of our time. 4. Pioneers in human understanding. 5. Importance of conventional wisdom.
심화학습교실
42. 다음 글의 제목으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Most of us believe that we can trust in technology to solve our problems. Whatever problem you name, you can also name some hope for technological solution. Some of us have faith that we shall solve our dependence on fossil fuels by developing new technologies for hydrogen engines, wind energy, or solar energy. Some of us have faith that we shall solve our food problems with genetically modified crops newly or soon to be developed. those with such faith assume that the new technologies will ultimately succeed without harmful side effects. However, there is no basis for believing that technology will not cause new and unanticipated problems while solving the problems that it previously produced. 1. Methods of controlling new technology. 2. Technology. Its past, present, and future. 3. Common misconceptions about technology. 4. Great contributions of technology to humans. 5. Ultimate solutions for fuel and food problems.
(43) 다음 글의 상황에 나타난 분위기로 가장 적절한 것은?
After the snowstorm came thick fog, and in that fog, Frederick's men soon lost their way on an ice river, with hundreds of big holes in it. Not only could they see nothing in front of them, but they were tired and ill, and could not walk anymore. So they had to stay in their tents, near the mountains for 4 days. After that time, Frederick went to Albert Marshall's tent. "You are ill, Albert," he said. "You can't come to the pole. Take 2 men and go back tomorrow." Next day, Frederick watched regretfully as Marshall's sled disappeared slowly in the distance. 1. Gloomy and pitiful. 2. Festive and joyful. 3. Calm and peaceful. 4. Promising and hopeful. 5. Relaxing and encouraging.
(44) 글의 흐름으로 보아 주어진 문장이 들어가기에 가장 적절한 곳은?
From there they were taken to Arizona, and were reassembled by workers in the Arizona desert. In the early 1960s, London Bridge was in trouble. Cars, trucks, and buses were too heavy for it, and the bridge was sinking into the Thames River. London city officials wanted to build a new bridge, and a businessman named Robert McCulloch decided to buy the old bridge and move it to Arizona. Workers disassembled the bridge in 1968, numbering the bricks, and sent them to Los Angeles. The bridge was finally completed in 1971. However, McCulloch knew he needed more than a famous bridge to attract people to Lake Havasu City, so he created an English village with typical English shops and restaurants. Today, London Bridge is one of Arizona's biggest attractions.
심화학 습교실.
45. 다음 글의 내용을 한 문장으로 요약하고자 한다. 빈칸 A와 B에 들어갈 말로 가장 적절한 것끼리 짝지은 것은?
People who run sports camps think of the children first. They do their best to create enjoyable and protective environments in which the children feel comfortable and safe. Unfortunately, some sports coaches in the camps occasionally become over-enthusiastic in their desire to help the children excel. As a result, they put pressure on them to perform at high levels, win at all costs, and keep playing, even when they get hurt. This no pain, no gain approach is extremely stressful and leads to unnecessary injuries. Parents should therefore take care when they send their children to a sports camp, and should talk with the sports coaches to see if they will respect the children's wishes. In choosing the most blank sports camp for their children, parents should make sure that the coaches have blank attitudes to children. 1. Inexpensive. Competitive. 2. Challenging. Demanding. 3. Famous. Sociable. 4. Intensive, liberal. 5. Suitable, caring.
46, 48. 다음 글을 읽고 물음에 답하시오.
They all reached the beach 2 hours later, exhausted but safe. At that time, the non-swimmer thanked Margot for saving his life, and he asked why she had been so insistent about going slowly and quietly. Because, she said to him, for one thing, I knew it was a long way, and we had to conserve our energy. For another, that ocean is full of sharks, and I didn't care to attract their attention. But if I had told you that, you might have panicked, and none of us would have made it. Margot took charge. She shouted out orders. She told each person to take a wooden board, use it as a float, and begin kicking slowly towards shore. She ordered the non-swimmer to share a piece of board with her. Kick softly, she told him. Don't stir up the water more than you have to. With Margot's firm presence next to him, the non-swimmer avoided panic. When every now and then, his kicking became awkward and noisy, Margot ordered him to stop. Slowly and quietly, the 5 moved toward the distant shore. Margot was on holiday with friends, 3 miles off the Kenyan coast, in the Indian Ocean, in a fishing boat. Suddenly the engine died, and for mysterious reasons, the boat began to sink. Before they knew what was happening, Margot, her 3 friends, and the African boatmen were in the sea. They all had life jackets, but it was a long way to shore. Around them were lots of wooden barrels and boards. At that moment, one of the 3 friends said, I don't know how to swim.
(49, 50) 두 사람의 대립된 의견을 읽고 물음에 답하시오.
Person A. Most people agree that fruit is a valuable, healthy food. Nonetheless, they usually throw away a very nutritious part of the fruit, the peel. In fact, fruit peel contains essential vitamins and is a source of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber helps to lower the level of cholesterol and blood sugar, which reduces the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Fiber also helps to lessen calorie intake, because people don't feel hungry even though they eat less. Eating fruit peel can also help to decrease the amount of food waste, which is a cause of pollution. Finally, I think people who eat fruit peel prefer organic food, which encourages farmers to use less pesticide, and thus to contribute to a cleaner environment. Person B. Personally, I don't like the bitter taste and roughness of fruit peel, though I understand that it has some nutritious value and contains dietary fiber. Even so, I don't think it is wise to eat fruit without peeling it. You might think you're removing all the pesticide on the fruit when you wash it, but some chemicals are bound to remain on the surface of the peel. The use of detergent to clean the fruit can also cause additional water pollution. Another reason for removing the peel before eating is that some fruits such as apples, pears, and grapes have a tough skin, which can be harder to chew and to digest. 1. The use of pesticide. 2. The use of detergent. 3. The eating of fruit peel. 4. The nutrition in fruit peel. 5. The recycling of food waste.